In this video, I'll be sharing with you two ways that you can get a virtual UK bank account from Uganda. So the first option is wise.com, right? The link for this platform will be in the description of this video. It allows you to have a multi-currency account, so you can have Canadian, Great Britain, or even a UK account. So once you open your account, you'll be able to open these additional accounts. If I select the GBP account and select the account details, you'll see that I have an account number and sort code as well as an IBAN number. Now the other platform is Payoneer. This is similar to Wise, right? Once you open your account, you can open these additional accounts. So here I have my Great Britain account, and here to the far right I can view my account details. So the link for these platforms will be in the description of this video. My preferred platform though is wise.com. It is more flexible and you can send and receive money. Now with Payoneer, you can only receive payments to your account, right? So I'll go with Wise. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.